And look at the grid, boy. Look at the wheel. There's like a couple of doubles here and there. Look at that. Boom. Boom. All right. And do you guys get into mission and movies in Latvia? No. No. We don't have it. Even if the movie goes for like, I think if it's 4 hours long, then you get it. 3 hours, it's non-stop. Yeah. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. They showed Lord of the Rings at some point, and there was like a 2-hour intermission, and then 2 hours again. 5 is crazy time. But 3 hours long movie, usually no. Like we had Avengers in Endgame was like 3 hours long as well, right? Yo, what's up, baby? Look at that. Look what we got. Look what we got. It's a crazy time with the 5x multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. 5x multiplier. Let's go. Yay. All right. Look at that. Follow me, baby. Look at that. We're going in. We're going in. Going in. Woo! What's up, boy? 5x multi on that long-awaited crazy time. Yeah. And look at the grid, boy. Look at the wheel. There's like a couple of doubles here and there. Look at that. Boom. Boom. All right. You see the memes going. Complete explosion. Let's go. You see the multis? You see the multis? Man. Man. All right. All right. All right. Decision time, baby. Green, blue, yellow. What do you go for? What do you go for? 20 more years, I'll probably go for. I can almost reach the peg if I like. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 500x maximum multiplier. Let's go. Off we go now. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. And we got that 75x on the green, 125x for the blue, and a 250x for the yellow. Let's go. 17 winners, hello with the 200 euro winner, Joe Gadaka, and becomes of course alone. Welcome to the Crazy Time Studio. It is a lovely treat to be here and to have all of you here coming for a little bit of entertainment and a little bit of gambling, a little bit of adrenaline pumping in your blood. We have how to play and statistics options available to you, ladies and gentlemen. And I wish to help yourself get some nice wins. Cash Hunt 5x on the top slot, and a good luck with Helpline, Summer Chat. Helpline? Oh, yeah, boy. B.I.G., baby. We got him. Look at this. Cash Hunt 5x. Let's go. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Well, we got 100x there, but it's not going to be a 100x anymore, ladies and gentlemen, because we got some, needs. 500x maximum multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. It was there, but it's not going to be there anymore. Thanks to the carousel, ladies and gentlemen, right now, of course. It is the same cash hunt that you always had. Just do exactly the same thing that you always did, and it's going to pay you 5 times more. Simple as that. Beautiful. Cash hunt 5x multiplier 3 times already for the session. We've been, 10 minutes in? Nice. We'd love to see that. All right, baby. Yeah. Woof. Reveal your secrets. Now, please. Cash hunt wall. Come on. Oh, there it is. See? Made it. There it is. Shining bright like a diamond. 75 players on the 500x. 1462 on a 250. Let's go.
Congratulations to every single one of you who won. Ooh, Jan. How do I pronounce your name? It's like Frankenstein, but the word is Frankenstein. Is it? Jankenstein. Saying you're free to bet on 1s and 2s, by the way. Fair point. Although I don't mind them. I kind of like them. The money here. Responsible. That's what you're supposed to be. 4x on the cash hunt right there, and we might have a shot at it. Pun intended. All right in there. Bullseye. Pun intended. All right. Cash hunt with a 4x on it.
Let's see. Look at this one, eh? Howdy, cowboy.
That was annoying, wasn't it? Put your ooh. go. 4x, so maximum multiplier 2,000 right there. Oh, that's a certified juicer right there. Okay. Well, as the multipliers and the symbols are shimmery, shuffly about, let me remind you, 108 segments, 1 2,000x, 1 shot. You put those three things in a nice equation, and you get a situation where you got a, well, shoot your best shot! Cowboy. Autopic's a thing, and the multipliers aren't actually correlated to the emojis. Now, in the wonderful words. You know, I keep telling my girlfriend that she should say now because she's a queen. All right, enough of that. That's 2,000 right there, going to 57 absolute legends. Congratulations, everybody. A total number of big winner count. 6,674 to be very exact, pretty professional, and enjoy the juiciness. Come on now.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way.